Hi kids, as you remember, we read a book last week. Who is going to remind me the name of the book? Yes, it is The Library Lion. Yeah. Is there anyone who remember the name of the author? The writer who writes the story? No? Okay, I will remind you the name of the author. Her name is Michelle Knudsen. Okay? Okay. Do you like the book? Yes, I love the book. I like it very much. Okay, let's talk about the characters. Do you remember the characters? Yes, Inji? Yes, Miss Merriweather. He is the head librarian, right? Yes. Okay, any other? Yes, Thomas? Yes, Mr. McBee. He is the circulation assistant. He circulates the book in the library, right? And yeah, the lion, our main character, the lion. Okay, and what happens in the story? Yeah, okay, let's summarize the story together. A lion goes into a library. Everybody gets surprised. Everybody gets really surprised because lions are not allowed in a library. And Mr. McBee tells Miss Weather that there is a lion in the library. He is not very happy, right? Yeah. But Miss Merriweather lets him in as long as the lion obeys the rules. And the lion loves being in the library. He joins the reading circles. He even sometimes helps Miss Merriweather, right? But one day, what happens? Yes, lion breaks the rules. Yeah, he yells in the library. But yes, he has a good excuse. Miss Merriweather falls from the steps, and to get some help, the lion yells in the library. But he knows that it is not allowed. Yelling is not allowed in the library. He breaks the rules, so he leaves the library. Everybody gets so unhappy, and the lion also gets so unhappy. But finally, one day, Mr. McBee finds the lion and makes him back to the library, right? Yes, this is a happy ending. Great. Okay, now let's remember the words that we learn from this story. Who will tell me one word? Yes, Inji? Yes, roar. Okay, let me write it on the board. Roar. Yes, great. What is roar? Yes, that is the sound that a lion makes. Roar, right? Great. Thank you. And one more word. Yes, Elif. Helpful. Great. Let's write it. Helpful. What is helpful? Yes, this is someone who helps, who likes helping others, right? Great. And any other word? Yes, please. Yeah, dislike. Let's write it. Dislike. Mr. McBee disliked the lion at first, right? Yeah, it means doesn't like. Okay, great. You know all the words, you remember all of them. Now you will write 5 rules that you need to follow in the library. While talking about the rules, we use what? Yes, great, must. Yes, we use must when talking about the rules. Okay, let's give some examples using must. Who wants to give me an example? Yes, Ali? We must stop at the red light. That's a great example. Let me write it on the board. We must stop at the red lights. Yes, great. We must stop at the red lights. Any other examples? Yes, please. We must wear a school uniform at school. Yes, in our country, we must wear a school uniform at school. Let's write it. We must wear a school uniform at school. Great. And one more. Yes, please. Yeah, I like it. We must listen to the teacher. Yes, we must listen to the teacher during the lesson. Great. Now you will write a library manual. In this manual, you will write 5 rules for the people who visit the library. You should use at least 2 new vocabulary that we have recently learned from this story, and you have 8 minutes to complete your assignment, okay? And after you finish, you will swap your papers with your partners, and everybody will read their partner's papers and share their ideas, okay? Let's write the rules on the board. You have 8 minutes to complete your task. You need to use the new vocabulary, at least 2, and you will swap your papers with your partners, okay? Great. I will be walking around the classroom. If you need any help, please raise your hand and ask me. Okay, let's start then.